As a result of a minor technical glitch, numerous individuals found themselves stranded in cable cars suspended 120 feet above Rye, prompting the urgent and meticulous efforts of the rescue team to ensure the swift and secure descent of all passengers. This man, sensing something peculiar in the distance, a stroke of fortune for the woman ensnared beneath the weight of snow, her breaths dwindling, yet fortune favored her even more as a man, armed with a shovel and foresight, arrived just in time to excavate the snow, rescuing her from the clutches of fate's icy grasp. And a car flips, trapping the driver. Despite initial efforts, more help is needed. Within 20 minutes, 20 bystanders rush to assist, successfully flipping the SUV. Miraculously, no injuries occur. Witness the remarkable display of solidarity as numerous strangers band together to rescue an individual trapped beneath a vehicle. With superb navigation skills and courage, the small boat captain used their tiny vessel to push the large ship away from a major collision. A kind-hearted individual voluntarily dipped into their own pocket to hire a crane to lift a car from the well, restoring clean water supply to the residents. When a truck driver accidentally spilled food on the road, many ignored his plight and drove on. Yet amidst the indifference, several kind-hearted souls stopped to help, showcasing humanity's compassion. There are many, many things more valuable than victory, and kindness will take you further. True bikers are defined not just by their appearance, but by their keen road awareness and readiness to help others in need. This was demonstrated by an individual who quickly stopped and rushed to assist a girl trapped in a car accident.
Relax. Can you unlock the doors? Use the back door. Relax. Use the back door. Unlock the back door. There we go. Relax. You're okay. You're okay. Relax, sit down. You want to sit up on that wall and crawl? Come on, let's sit up against that. We're going to put your back against that. You good, though. That's all you get.
In a bustling street, a couple's bike stalled amid the chaos. Most ignored them, but this man felt a compelling force to turn back, defying the apathy around him. An inebriated man stumbled onto railway tracks with his bike, unaware of the approaching train. Railway workers sprinted towards him, one heroically tackling him to safety just before disaster struck. You are superhero. The thoroughfares teem with a multitude of noble souls, each quietly contributing kindness and compassion to the journey of life. In the throes of an S-shik stroke, this man's fortune turned when a bystander caught sight of his collapse and promptly dialed for an ambulance. Though she may be petite in stature, the expansiveness of this girl's heart knows no bounds. With their talent and experience, this coach has transformed into a guardian, ensuring that their students are not harmed in any way. While traveling in Japan, this young man observed a girl being harassed. Recognizing the situation, he promptly acted,
Good to see you. It's alright. Have a good night, man.
pretending to be acquainted with the girl and skillfully driving away the harasser.
See you, man. Okay. See you. Have a good night. No problem. You're welcome.
A burglar unlawfully entered a residence and assaulted its defenseless owner, yet found himself unprepared for the level of resistance encountered. Haha, I wonder if this is a personal preference, or if someone taught him to do so. In the quest for hydration, animals turn to humans for assistance, defying all stereotypes, regardless of the creature's nature, even if it happens to be a venomous snake. Two entangled swans approach the shore, seeking human assistance. With their wings and necks entwined, they require delicate help to untangle without harm. Compassionate individuals come to their aid, allowing these majestic birds to soar freely once again. Check out the predator's reaction to seeing the human who rescued it after 2 years of separation, as they reunite at the sanctuary. Amidst the icy expanse of a Pennsylvania lake, a deer's struggle epitomized nature's harsh grip, overcoming the hunter-prey boundary. A compassionate soul couldn't bear its plight. With unwavering determination and a simple rope, he rescued the helpless animal, bridging despair to salvation. Oh, sorry about that. He gave him a fresh start. This cameraman's actions transcended the boundaries of his profession as he selflessly abandoned his camera to aid those ensnared by the fury of a hurricane. In a moment of unintentional mishap, tennis player Rafael Nadal inadvertently directed the ball towards a ball girl. Displaying his exemplary sportsmanship, the athlete swiftly rushed over to ensure her safety and well-being. He did it even if nobody was going to give him credit. And when we begin to lose faith in humanity, we often find the warmest acts of kindness. In a remarkable display of sportsmanship, immediately following his victory in the match, this wrestler's first act was to assist his injured opponent in safely getting off the mat. Kindness knows no age boundaries, exemplified by a young man who extended a helping hand to a grandpa, aiding him in the rebuilding of his bird fountain. The girl, unable to locate her parents, found herself in distress at the beach. Sensing her predicament, beachgoers began applauding to draw the attention of her parents, ultimately bringing about a heartwarming reunion. A small yet profoundly subtle action that holds valuable lessons for us to emulate. This individual traverses the London canals on a custom-made floating bicycle, diligently gathering plastic waste. Despite the 45-minute setup time and the inherent risks of the journey, he persists in his efforts to motivate others to reject single-use plastics.
We got Auntie.
Thank you, buddy.
Moving through her forever. Please stop by.
Some people just make the world a better place.
I want to give you one of these.
Well, it's a random act of kindness.
A random act of kindness.
Random. What's your name? My name is Aiden. I'm here.
The only thing we keep is what we give away.
Oh,
Thank you! What a sweetheart. Have a good day.
Neymar consistently brings happiness to his younger supporters, and this girl was absolutely thrilled to receive a gift from her idol. These are truly Messi's fans. High school can be challenging, but a simple act of kindness can make a big difference, as shown in this heartwarming video. When Robinson, a 9th grader who had experienced bullying, appeared sad, his classmates came together with gifts, instantly lifting his spirits.
For everyone in this class, you deserve way more than me.
He deserves to be the role model for the young ones. Few things compare to the sheer joy of discovering your puppy after fearing it was lost forever. After her family rehabilitated gorillas and released them into the wild, this girl grew up with them as companions. 12 years later, she reunited with her old friends in the jungle, resulting in a heartwarming reunion. Witness this incredible surprise orchestrated by the birthday boy's neighbor, who, upon noticing the child's fondness for Jeeps, arranged a truly memorable celebration. A 5-hour marathon is commendable, but when one runner faltered near the finish line, competitors rallied around, offering support, a poignant display of solidarity and encouragement. Despite the challenging circumstances currently facing Ukraine, the military personnel took a heartwarming initiative to give flowers to women on International Women's Day, a gesture aimed at celebrating them amidst adversity. These police officers presented their sheriff with special glasses designed for colorblind individuals.
Are they?
Oh my God.
Can you see? Like a different world.
Witnessing him experience the world's true colors for the first time was truly remarkable. This man fought in court to confirm his paternity of a boy taken from him at birth. Here's his emotional reaction when his fatherhood was confirmed.
are his father.
All right. It's my boy.
Which university will set me up for success the best in the end.
Here's a touching moment as a football player reunites with his father, who returned from Afghanistan just in time to witness his son signing a contract with the U.S. Navy Academy.
Every time. I'm so proud of you, Lord.
This is the heartfelt reaction of a man returning home after a 9-month deployment, seeing his baby for the first time. Let's remember that every small act of kindness has the potential to ripple out like a wave, bringing joy and hope to those around us. We don't need to be superheroes to change the world. We just need to be kind individuals every day. Every word of encouragement, every share, and every small gesture carries immense significance. So let's spread love and empathy together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel today to join us in making meaningful actions and making the world a brighter place.